What up, YouTube? So I have a 2006 Hayabusa. It's got the Gen. It's a Gen 1 and has a Gen 2 tail on it with a 300 CNS 300 kit to it. Guy keeps it super clean. So you know me. It has an air ride. So you know me. He then added the voltmeter on there. Did an upgrade with the anti-gravity battery, 16 cell anti-gravity battery, so you can actually ride with that bad boy. So let's get to it. So here we go. We have the body. So I actually took the headlight apart and I put LEDs inside there. No halos because I wanted to keep it clean. I didn't want to make it obvious like there's a halo in there. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but I didn't want to do it. So we have the tail lights right here. They're done in white as well, except the main brake light. No issues with the police, nothing like that. It's actually getting a little bit more lackadaisy since I've been doing lights. Not because of me, but it's just more people are having lights, so it's actually get away with some crazy colors and in weird places. Just still not flashing and still not red and blue together. All right, here we go. Now then we got the wheels. We have the heartbeat. That just woke it up. Got the heartbeat. And check out the dang foot pegs right there. We got those. And we did the grips. Or around the grips handle. And then this time, in the front, they got that. So LEDs that. There's no halos whatsoever. And then he wanted real clean because it has chrome. So I did the center. There's the center right there. Even in the back right here. Super clean. Less wires is better. So the heartbeat matches right there and right there. Oh, check this driveway out. I'm at my brother's house. I'm in Tampa right now. I did the whole driveway. Still adding lights to his house. And we added asphalt all through here too. And white gates all the way around. So this is how it looks from the back right there. Look at that shit. That's just super dope, dude. Super dope. I'm happy with it. It's holding power too. So if you want to just ride with that, the wheel. But yeah, that's it right there. daviddas45@gmail.com. I have my website, but I haven't finished it. I gotta finish working on it. And there's the voltage right there, voltmeter. 13.2. It rides at 13. But yeah, that's it. Boom. David Daz.